Hi everyone, today I'll show you how you can crack any Wi-Fi password within just 5 minutes. You just need a laptop or desktop which has access to the same Wi-Fi network. I will show you two ways. Please watch the video till the end. In case one way does not work for you, the other way will definitely work for you. Before starting, I have a small request. Please do take consent from the owner of the Wi-Fi network before viewing the password, since passwords are meant to be hidden, right? So let's start the video without wasting any time. So just to show you, I have created a guest network, this one. SD underscore guest. So why do we create guest network and how to create? I have made a separate video. I'll provide the link in the description. Please do watch it if you are not aware. So we have to give these commands in CMD or command prompt. So I'll type the commands for you at first. Net sh space wlan space show space profiles space under inverted comma the Wi-Fi network name. I'll give, that's it. I'll close it and then space key equal to clear. Okay, so now I'll copy it, Control C, then I'll go to CMD and I'll paste the command and hit enter. So see, this is the password it's showing. Okay, so this is that much easy. Please keep a note of the command or save the video just for future reference. Before showing you the second way, I have a small request. If you think you learned something new today and it was worth your time, then please do like the video and subscribe the channel. It will help the channel to grow, as well as it will motivate me to make such videos for you. So let's see the second way now. In your laptop, please open control panel, then network and internet, network and sharing center, then click on the Wi-Fi name, click on wireless properties, click on the security tab and click on show characters. See, this is the password. So see, both are matching. So that's it. In this way you can view the password, but as I requested, please do take consent from the owner of the Wi-Fi network before checking their passwords. Please do subscribe the channel so that you get notifications when we bring such videos for you, and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family members. We'll meet again very soon. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.